Hey guys, it's Chase here, Total Value RV. We got a nice motorhome here today. It's the 2016 Monaco Dynasty 45D. It's on the 51,000 pound Roadmaster chassis. It's got a 600 horsepower Cummins in it, 15 liter. Running about 1950 pounds of torque, and a really nice coach here. So up front, you do have the Bendix system in it. It's got the adaptive cruise control and the collision mitigation system. So if you're coming up on somebody too fast, it'll alert you, let you know you need to slow down. Also, this one has a 10K generator in it. So fire that thing up, it'll power everything in the coach, all your ACs, your fridge, all that good stuff. You also got the Door Shield up here, a nice clear protective layer on your front of your coach. Going on back here, you got your door awning. You got the keyless entry right here, and we got a cool TV right here. It's actually drops down out from underneath the slide out, so nice little setup there. You see you got the full length Girard awnings. They're integrated with the roof, so nice clean look when they're in. Down below here in our storage compartments, these front two right here are power slide trays. So nice feature there. You got lights in there, and both of them, like I said, are electric. So you're just pushing buttons, watching them go out that way. You're not pushing your heavy trays in and out. And we got the other one right here. We have your Dirt Devil for your central vac. Got a plug-in in there, light too, so you can light it up. Right here we have all your batteries. You notice you have 8 6-volt batteries in there. You got 3 disconnect switches, so when you store the thing, you can shut it off. That way you come back, your batteries aren't dead. Right here we have our inverter. We got the Pure sign there. You also got the surge guard already built in. You got your docking lights here, so if you need some extra reverse lights or anything like that, light those up. Right here you got your def tank, another little storage compartment. In this back compartment here, we have our 2 chassis batteries. You also got the disconnect switches for those too. So on the back here, like I said, it is a 600 horsepower. You get a 15,000 pound hitch, so towing's not going to be a problem. You have a side radiator here, so you have full access to your engine in the back. It's not covered by your radiator. A lot easier to get to, maintenance, stuff like that. Alright, in here, your power cord. It has an electric reel on it, so you're not fighting the cord, getting it back into the compartment or taking it out. Alright, this front one here, we have our wet bay. Your freshwater hose, it's on an electric reel for you there. You got your gray and black dump right there. A couple bypass valves. Your whole house water filter there. You can check the levels of your tank here, turn your water pump on, do your hot water drain, and cold water drain down there as well. You also have a little sprayer right here, and then your park cable, and then a power outlet. Alright, here's your Aqua Hot. You got the 450D on it. Alright, so with the 450D Aqua Hot, guys, it's ran through the floor, so it produces radiant heat. That way your floors aren't freezing cold, keep them warm. Alright, this next one here, just another little storage compartment with a light in it there. And then these are going to be the other sides to your storage trays that slide out. Same thing here. Alright, this front compartment, you have your button for your gin slide. Push it there, in or out. You have air pressure right here. Produces probably about 75 psi. Your windshield washer fluid, bunch of chassis wire and fuses, stuff like that. Up here, here's your Cummins Onan 10,000 kilowatt generator. Like I said, it is on the slide, so bring that back in, push it out, stand up on there, wash your windshield, do whatever. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, hi guys, it's Chase. We're inside now. First thing I want to point out, if you look at your mirrors here, you got 3 different ones. So one kind of pointing down, one up, and then one in the middle. And you see you got your cameras down there. Those are integrated with your blinkers. That way you don't have any blind spots. So with those mirrors, you just have maximum visibility and make it nice and safe for you going down the road. So right here, if you look, we have just your main head unit, your CD player. It's got the Rand McNally GPS, Bluetooth, Sirius XM capable for it. All that stuff here. This is just going to show you all your temperatures, gauges, stuff like that. Your transmission temp, you see your turbo, your exhaust temperature. And down here, just a couple switches, your AC. You can switch to your cameras right here if you want to look at either side or the rear while going down the road. Your generator start, storage lights, your battery boost. Turn your radio on up here while you're camping, and then your docking lights in the back we saw earlier. Also in here, if you look, all your shades in the coach are electric, so you're just pushing buttons, and watching them go up. 2016, we have roughly about 7,000 miles on it, and you got all your gauges right up front. It's got the smart wheel with the windshield wipers here, your brights, cruise control. Here's your Bendix, what I pointed out on the front earlier at the beginning of the video. You can go in there, change the settings in that. Your transmission, drive, neutral, reverse. Here you turn your air horn on, and then your lights. A bunch of switches over here. You got the engine brake. It's actually a 3-stage engine brake there. Adjust your mirrors. You actually got a power window right here. You can roll up and down. You got the heated mirrors, your ATC lights, dome light up here, and then your tag dump. You can do auto, disable it, or manually do it. This leaf system right here is to control our gauges down here we saw earlier. And this one you can set your driver's seat for 1 or 2. If you look over here at the leveling system, pretty nice. You actually have air leveling or hydraulic. So if you're camping in Walmart for the night or a rest area, you can't put your jacks down, you can use the air level and put some slides out if you have to. So if you look at this floor plan, you got the opposing sides. This unit has 4 slide outs, but nice open floor plan. You got the couch right here with a nice little ottoman. Across from that, you got the TV that drops down and goes in there, so if you need some extra counter space. You got the fireplace, give you some free heat there. A lot of storage in here. Bunch of cabinets. That way you can fit everything you need when you're spending a lot of time in this thing. So that's what it's made for. Down here you got some nice big pull-out drawers. Countertop extension there. You got the solid surface countertops going all the way across. Nice old diner style sink there. A nice stainless steel sink. They give you a window right there at your sink like you do at home. We got the nice tile backsplash. The induction cooktop there. Nice little pull-out tray here. Storage down here as well. Smaller drawers. You got the microwave here. It is a convection oven as well. Residential size, so you can fit your small pieces and stuff like that in there. But just a ton of storage everywhere you look in this thing here. You got a little spice rack, pantry, whatever. More storage down here. That's a deep compartment there. Right here you got your floor sweeper. We saw this info vac earlier on the outside. Here's where your hose goes into it for the vacuum part. Here we have all of our breakers. Alright, and on the other side here you got your residential fridge. You got the ice maker, water filter there. Your table here pulls out. You got 2 additional chairs with it. That way you can seat 4. You get a nice little power station here, some USB and power outlets. All your light switches are all going to be on these little push button pads here. And like I said, all your shades in here are electric, so you're just pushing buttons. Your couch does fold out and make a bed, and then also they give you a little bit of storage here in your ottoman to hide a couple things. Alright guys, going back here to the bedroom. Oh, first, forgot you have a half bath. It's the electric flush toilet there. porcelain. You still got the solid surface countertops all throughout here. Nice medicine cabinet. And the vent fan. Alright, missed something here. Got to show you guys the pantry. That way you have all your food storage. Can't miss that. Also, it's adjustable shelving. Something too, if you look, all your cabinets will have this felt on all the shelves. That way all your plates and cups and stuff aren't rattling. Alright, going back to the bedroom here, you got the nice pocket door. Just close it off here for nice privacy. You got a nice little dresser here. You sit down, put your shoes on, but it allows you to have these nice big, deep residential drawers. You got another power station here, USB, couple outlets. You got your bedroom TV. Over here, you got your bed. It's a king-size bed. It's a nice Tempur-Pedic mattress there. Here you got a couple light switches, the controls for both your rear slide outs back here. And then you also have a ceiling fan in the bedroom. Alright, going back, it's got a very big bathroom. You got a large shower here. Probably one of the biggest I've seen in an RV. All tile, glass doors. Right here you have your washer dryer. Stackable there, the Splendid. And then you have the nice wardrobe closet back here in the back, with some extras that come along with the coach. It is the cedar line closet too. And then also on this side, you have a little safe down there. Alright, so over here we have the switch for your engine preheat. Also you have the control there for your heated floors. Look here. Alright guys, so after the closet you got your toilet here. It's the electric flush with the macerator in it. You got your nice sink here, pretty cool look to it. You have the medicine cabinet here, and just a couple of drawers and storage compartment down here for your bathroom. So once again guys, this is our 2016 Monaco Dynasty 45D. Hope you enjoyed our walkthrough video here. Let us know if you have any questions and we'll be more than happy to help. And once again, Chase with Total Value RV. My number is 706-669-6360. Thanks.